How to disable most of Windows 10's advertising. Understanding how and why Microsoft ads appear is the first step in taking back control of your Windows experience. In this video, we'll teach you how to disable Windows 10 advertising. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding Windows 10 ads. Microsoft's goal with in-system ads is monetization and boosting engagement with their ecosystem. While this might be helpful for some people who are new to Windows, for others, it adds clutter to a streamlined environment. Key benefits of disabling ads on Windows 10. The benefits of disabling ads extend beyond a cleaner look. They include better performance and stability, less distractions, and enhanced privacy. Step-by-step guide to disabling ads in Windows 10. Let's walk through how to disable most of the advertising features in Windows 10. First, to disable Start Menu Suggestions, open Settings by pressing Win+I. Navigate to Personalization and then Start. Toggle. Show suggestions occasionally and Start to the off position. To disable lock screen ads, go to Settings, Personalization, and then Lock Screen. Under Background, select either Picture or Slideshow to disable Windows Spotlight. Finally, turn off the option Get Fun Facts, Tips, and More from Windows and Cortana on your lock screen. To remove ads in File Explorer, open File Explorer and click the View tab. Select Options and click the View tab in the Folder Options window. Then uncheck the box next to Show Sync Provider Notifications. Finally, to turn off Cortana, open Settings, select Cortana, and navigate to Permissions and History. Adjust the permissions to limit what Cortana can access. Overall, disabling Windows 10 ads on your computer leads to a cleaner, faster, and more focused Windows experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to disable Windows 10 ads, linked in the description below.